Here's your fast stock market update as we go into the last few weeks of the year. Tends to be a Santa Saunter. It was a good week last week for stock, but interesting to see what's going on underneath the headlines. Here's my analysis to give you real details on what's happening in the stock market. First of all, you can see that the S&P had its 7th consecutive month up, but the Nasdaq, that actually finished the month of November down. So what are we seeing? We're seeing the AI sector in particular is having a reset. Who's going to make a profit out of AI? I put it to you, you no longer can buy tech stock and just leave it. Okay, but there's great opportunities in the stock market. It's just become more selective. You can't just buy tech stock and think that's going to make you money. Right now, you have to look and see where the right places are to invest. You'll see silver hitting record highs in the headlines with CNBC behind me. What's going on there? Well, people are seeing that silver actually has more uses than gold. And you're seeing that gold, of course, has hit record highs, and it's done it several times over the last year. But silver, this is its first time. It could even double in price. There's opportunities to invest. There's more speculative, so what's less? Look at what's happening in the markets. You'll see that energy stock have got opportunities to grow. So when we talk about AI, we've seen, of course, Nvidia do incredibly well during the last few years. But now people are saying, okay, can that run continue? We're seeing Alphabet with Gemini and Google making some inroads, and their chip is seen to be less expensive and perhaps has opportunities to compete with Nvidia. So all of a sudden, there's that profit check. But energy, we know that there's going to be chips around, but is there going to be sufficient energy? So you'll see other videos where I'm talking about what are the right energy stocks that you could be considering right now. Think about where we are from a market point of view. Think about what's happening. The Fed likely to reduce interest rates. That's good for stock. The Bank of England likely to do exactly the same. Trump is going to be issuing stimulus checks, $2,000 next year. There's the big beautiful bill which is reducing taxes for people in America. There's lots of things coming in that are going to give stimulus to the economies around the world. So it's positive for stock. You just got to make sure that you're selective. Don't just buy anything and think it's going to go up, or buy a tracker. Okay, instead, look, what's the right stock? Talk to a financial advisor. There's the information. Where's the best place to invest your money right now? If you've got an idea and something you want me to do a video on, leave a comment below. Happy to give you the information on any investment that you want to know about right now.